Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the spinning space effect for your videos in CapCut. So here I have this video that I want to edit and I want to apply the spinning face space effect. And the first thing that you need to do is just go to effects, video effects. Then here, swipe through the category and tap on the distortion category, and you can just scroll down until you find the spinning space effect. This one's right here. Click on the effect. Now you can adjust it how you like it. You can adjust the size, the twist, rotate, filter. I'm going to go with 100, and the amount. After you're done with the settings, you can just click on the check icon, and that's it. So this is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.